Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, product specialist, love promise coordinator here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today we're going to show you just a few tips on your 11.6 inch screen, a couple of customizations that I think are pretty cool. If you're new to the channel, I like to make videos about everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 18 years working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, it really helps me out. That's my bosses know that people appreciate the videos, and let me keep doing it. All right, let's get into it. All right, so your 11.6 inch screen. The vast majority of Subarus are going to have this screen now. Subaru introduced it in 2020 with the Outback and the Legacy, and as they've changed the cars, they've slowly integrated or introduced this screen into every model. But depending on the model you have, you might have this screen, or if you have a base model, you're going to have a dual stack screen. But like I said, the majority of cars are going to have this screen. A lot of people don't realize that you can do little tweaks with this guy. The first thing you can do is in the middle screen. Another thing people don't realize is this is actually, it looks like one big screen, it's actually three screens. So this one up here, you see how I'm changing that screen by hitting the arrows. The bottom screen is your air conditioning system. Then you got the middle screen. So the middle screen, those icons are customizable. So this guy, let's pretend you don't want that My Subaru app there because you don't use it. You would like an app that is on the second side. You want to move your Cabin Connect over because I'm sitting here in an Ascent. So you can push and hold this guy. It's just like our phones, but unbelievably picky. So you got to grab the icon you don't like, kind of put it right there, hold it, and then you see what happens if I let go. It goes right there. Then I can take the Cabin Connect and I got to hold it, now go over there, and I can get rid of valet mode and then place it perfectly. They're still small, but when I push that guy, they get bigger, and now I have replaced with something that works a little bit better for me. Another option you got is you can customize this button down here. The vast majority of the cars, or almost pretty much all of them, are going to come with AC down here. So you can turn the AC on or the AC off directly from there. But if you want something else down there, you go into settings. You got to make sure you're in the general settings down here. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find climate control. So that's called the customize climate button. It's on AC. So I maybe want recirculation. So I can hit the recirculation one down there, and now recirculation has been replaced. AC has been replaced by circulation. Or I could do the sync button, I could do the auto button. I like the recirculation button. All of the other options are always going to be up here, but you have to go into this button, big button right here, and now it's going to bring up the auto, the AC, recirculation, or there. It just takes one of those and makes it easy to find right there. So another customizable thing for you is this car info button. Some of you, it's going to be on the main screen. Some of you, it's going to be over here. But like I said, you can always move it to the other screen. Car info. So it gives you this one. Angles, inclinometers they call them. This one will show you which wheels have power while you're driving, which wheels actually have traction with the road. But the one that a lot of people don't know about, and I get asked quite often, is the maintenance. So you can have your car send you reminders either on a date or a mileage when you should do your engine oil, your oil filter, your tires, or just do a regular routine maintenance. Really easy to set. Most of the cars are at our dealership. What we do is we set it first for you, and then when you come in, our guys will be doing it for you. But if you want to do it on your own, right there, very easy to do. The next customizable thing you can do is up top here. One of the options up here is this screen. It's called Widgets. So you can barely see there's little dashes down there. It looks like I'm on the third dash, so that's the third screen. There's the fourth dash, the fourth screen, and then the fifth one, which is your X mode screen. But most of the cars are going to come with these widgets right here. Acceleration percentage, angle, fuel consumption. I don't really care what my acceleration percentage is or the angle I'm sitting at in my car. So all you gotta do is touch the top screen. It brings up these guys. I can get rid of acceleration percentage and replace it with a compass, or I already have a compass up there, so I'm actually gonna do a speed limit, and I'm gonna replace angle with calendar. And now I have things that just kind of work a little bit better, I think. So the last one, you control it here, but it is about that screen right there that says MPG with the plus and the minus. That's called your eco gauge. So where we find that is in your settings, and it is in your general settings. So you scroll down a little bit until you find, oops, did I go too far? Oh, I did. Meter screen. So you hit meter screen. You can make the gauge not move. You can turn off the turn by screen option, but I like the meter information screen. Like I said, it's on eco gauge. I really didn't find that information useful in my car. So I hit that guy and I changed it to gas range, which now gives me my gas range. Or you could have a compass, but most of our cars have a compass up all right there. That red guy, you can't really read it, but doubling up on information. You can do outside temperature clock, but again, another doubled up outside temperature clock's always right there. So I just preferred the gas range, and there it is. A lot more useful information. So that's a few tips, just some customizable stuff that I think are really cool on your Subaru. All right, thanks for watching.